Okay, so we're here again. It's the second day in the rows, and we got the other one. So we got this out of the way quick. Great, cause yeah. Okay, so I did this with the last one. I'll do it with this one. Look, it is vanilla softer. Which the other one you couldn't see that it was chocolate ice cream. I don't even know if it was chocolate ice cream. It might have just been really, really chocolatey vanilla, but it did not look like clear white. Anyways, we're not clear, like just white. Okay, here we go. This is the salted caramel blondie, by the way. Got some chunks in there for my cousin. It's already a weird consistency with the ice cream. Well, I mean, if we're being honest, I just scratched my nose, and this, I don't know. It's kind of weird, like a little bit interesting, like I wasn't expecting it. It's like got chunks of chocolate. It's got the salted caramel blondie thing, whatever it is. And then it's all in the vanilla, and it's weirding me out a little bit, like it's like a little bit different, but I also really like it. Oh man, I think I'd probably have to say it's just slightly better than the frosted fudge brownie, but if you like brownie more, that's the best one. I'd also give this a 6 though, so that's how you know. Okay, that's it. DQ. You know, I think I already know what I'm gonna put in the background of this. You know, let's do it again with that. Oh my god. Hi there.